thief's moonlight journey. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a notorious thief named Ravi. Ravi was known far and wide for his cunning and daring heists. However, there was one thing that fascinated him more than any stolen treasure: the moon. Every night, Ravi would sit on a hill overlooking the village and gaze at the beautiful, glowing moon. Its ethereal beauty captured his heart, and he dreamed of possessing it. Of course, he knew this was impossible, but that didn't stop him from concocting a plan. One evening, while Ravi was deep in thought, an old sage named Ashok approached him. Ashok had heard of Ravi's fascination with the moon, and said, "Young man, I can help you reach the moon, but it won't be easy." Ravi was intrigued. "Tell me what I must do." Ashok explained, "To reach the moon, you must first find the ancient celestial bridge hidden in the mystical forest beyond our village. It is said to appear only once every decade during a lunar eclipse." Ravi, determined as ever, embarked on a journey into the forest. He faced numerous challenges, from treacherous creatures to enchanted obstacles, but he persevered, driven by his obsession with the moon. Finally, on the night of a lunar eclipse, he reached the heart of the forest, where the celestial bridge appeared, a shimmering path of moonlight stretching into the sky. With a leap of faith, Ravi stepped onto the bridge and ascended towards the moon. As he got closer, he realized that the moon wasn't a physical object to possess, but a symbol of beauty and wonder. In that moment, he understood that some things are meant to be admired from afar, that the pursuit of the unattainable can lead to unexpected discoveries. Ravi returned to the village with a newfound wisdom, and shared his journey with others. He gave up his life of thievery, and became a storyteller, recounting the tale of his quest to reach the moon, inspiring others to appreciate the beauty in the world around them. And so the thief who once coveted the moon became known as the sage who helped others find their own path to wonder and enlightenment, proving that sometimes the greatest treasures are found not in possessions but in the journey itself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to stay updated and never miss out on new content that will brighten your day.